We want you to know that you were source energy before you came into these bodies, and that source energy part of you still exists non-physically, and that source energy part of you is aware of you here and now and in all moments in time.
I'm expanding a business into a different state, and when I think about the timing of when the move will be, I feel uncertain. So how can I line up my energy to know when?
By minding your own business.
Which one?
Well, that's very cute, but mind your own business. And the reason that we put those words to you in the way that we did, mind your own business, is because you think your business is your business. Here's the way we would like you to see this. So, through life, and even before you came into this body, you've put things into your vortex. Things, some of which you can identify, but most of which you can't. Now, you might be able to identify the pieces of them, like you like freedom more than a feeling of not freedom, and you know that you like outrageous abundance more than a feeling of not enoughness. In other words, of course, there are components that you recognize. You put them there on purpose. But there are so many components that you have incrementally over time put into this mix. And because of the relationships with one another, because of the high-flying category of alignment relationship that they have with each other, the whole mix of them has morphed into a creation of your making that even you can't identify. And we want to call that really not your business. And we don't mean not your business because it is your business because you created it, but we mean not your business because you do not have the capacity to identify it or understand it fully yet. Did you get that? You had a step 1 and we offered a step 2 experience to that, but it's not your business yet because you're not ready for it. You're not up to speed with it. You put it there and it's been mixing, it's been gathering the cooperative components, but you may or may not be yet. In this case, we'll say you are not yet a cooperative component to this mix. So here it is. It's growing. It's magnificent. It's evolving. It's expanding. And you can feel the energy of it. And if you're not doing that thing you do, like worry or fuss or defend or justify or explain, if you're basking, if you're in the receptive mode, if you're there for no good reason other than it feels good, that's a really good reason. If you're there for that wonderful reason that it feels good, then here you are in the receptive mode in relationship to your swirling vortex. And now an idea flows to you. A desire flows to you. The desire to expand into another state flows to you. The idea of expansion. Now that idea of expansion, you can't flesh it all out yet. It's still not your business. Oh, you've got the components and the ingredients of your business still in your vortex, but you're not in the receptive mode yet to know all of the details of all of that. And what goes wrong with so many of you is you want to make it your business. I've got to figure it out. How, where, when, who. And we say, when you do that, you introduce resistance into your own equation and you just slow it down. So when you're really in the receptive mode, you say things like, in perfect unfolding. You say things and mean them, like, everything is always working out for me. You say things and mean it, like, I am so excited about the adventure of this unfolding, and I'm so eager to be in the receptive mode so that as the ideas occur to me, I'll be right there thrilled with each and every idea. Feel this in relationship to what most humans think they want. They just want to jump right over there to the other state, be in full-fledged business, have all the employees and all the products and all the stuff that they need all in place right now, complaining about the work that they're doing. In other words, you really don't want to fast forward into the manifestation of it because it's the molding the clay that is so much fun. Really, if you are a sculptor, it's the sculpting that turns you on, not the sculpture. There it is. This is my life's work right here. That's it. That's my life's work right there. Are you doing anything else? Nope. That was it. That was it. That was it. Want to see the back of it? Oh, it's taped down today. That's it. Who are you? I'm this. What do you do? Nothing. I did this. I was born to do this. I did this. It was fun doing it, but now it's sadly done. If you're painting a picture, it's the process of the inspiration flowing through your fingertips. When you're playing music, it's the right now, in the moment, connection with the rhythm and the sound and the harmonies, in other words. And so the fun is in the receiving of the idea. When we say, it's not your business, we mean it's not ready yet to be your business. You're not ready for that business yet, but you're ready for this business and this business and this business of clarity. You see what we're getting at?
Yeah.
Are you seeing what we're getting at? In the early days, we were saying to you that when you want it and believe it, then it is. But we want you to not be so quick to rush to the culminations. That'd be like leaving Sydney Harbor and the captain saying, we're in Sydney, and in a few days, we're going to be back in Sydney, so get off now. Get off now. Your destination has been accomplished. See, look, it's on your ticket. Sydney, Sydney. We have fulfilled our obligation. We've picked you up and we're now dropping you off. This itinerary is complete, and there would be a mutiny on this ship because you didn't get on to get off. You didn't get on the ride of creating a business in order to get it all done. You got on the ride to create the business. And the best part of creation, this is what we want you to hear. And if you can hear it, you're going to be free and happy for the rest of your life. The best part of creating of a business or of a relationship or anything is that sweet spot between the vibrational accomplishment of it, which you have already done, and then the ideas that are flowing, 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 the thought and the emotion and the impulse to act and the words that flow and the perfect timing and the getting to be in on the ground floor observation of the components coming together on your behalf. You get to witness the entire universe backing up your ideas, not proving to the universe that you're worthy of the ideas by struggle and hard work and putting your nose where your business isn't, but by doing what your business is, lining up with what you put into your vortex and being thrilled about it as it now occurs to you, as these thoughts turn to things right before your eyes. Yeah.
Awesome.
Enough?
That's great. Thank you.
Really good.